good. Hey everyone, my name is Dave. This here is
Matthew,
the newest member of the NTD Racing. Well, we just got here to the Rocky Mountain Cycle Plaza. And what did you think we were coming here for?
to get radios for whatever stuff.
But we weren't. Check out what we were here to get. All right, so first let me tell you about how this whole thing is going on. So our team races Mint 400. And I know at the Mint 400 they have a youth class. So I do a little bit of research on their page and I scroll down and I see that they have a class where they race the RZR 200 EFIs. I was like, well, let me go see if I can find one of those. So I look up in my local town at the Rocky Mountain Cycle Plaza and I scroll through and I find out that they are selling a RZR 200 EFI. So I call this guy. His name is Zach. And I start telling him what we want to do. We want to surprise our boy. I want to buy it, have it on their showroom, totally put them out. And he's like, dude, I totally love this plan. What can I do to help? So then I call my buddy Bear and I say, hey, Bear, can you do me a favor? He's like, I'll do whatever you want. He goes, can you take your truck, go pick up our buddy Caleb's trailer, take all these stickers down to Rocky Mountain Cycle Plaza, sticker up this RZR 200 EFI, hide behind a tree, and video my boy and I as we walk in. He's like, I love it. I'm there. And so that next morning, my boy's got no idea. We drive down to the Rocky Mountain Cycle Plaza and we walk in. Bear's hiding behind the tree. We run into this amazing salesman named Zach, and this is how it goes down. All the intercom stuff's going to be. Yeah? Hey, how's it going? Just kind of looking around, just checking out some stuff. So, yeah.
2 seats, 4 seats, 2 wheels, 4 wheels.
2 seats. He's kind of looking at something like one of these. He's been interested.
Yeah, we got fun stuff to look at for sure.
Yeah? Cool.
Take a gander, see what you think. If you have any questions, my name's Zach. Give me a holler.
All right, Zach, I'm Dave Pryor.
Dave, thanks for coming with me.
Yeah, awesome. Nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
This the only one you guys got here? Or?
It is, yeah.
Yeah?
NTD Racing.
Oh my gosh.
Wait,
What?
did you buy it?
By what?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It literally says NTD Racing.
I'll just see right there.
You bought it, didn't you? I honestly had a feeling. So
Yeah?
last time we were here, we did not have. We literally did. They did not.
Check this out. Pivot. NTD Racing. How awesome is that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah?
I just got really excited. Like, since when
You want to go sit in it? Check this out.
When we came here last time.
This right here is Mr. Zach. He helped us buy it.
Hell yeah, dude. Thanks.
What's up, man, dude? It's freaking awesome. This is cool. Check out that dude.
What? Hey there.
Dude, cool RZR. Is this yours?
Maybe, I don't know.
It says Matthew right here.
That doesn't mean nothing.
That's where the driver's name goes, huh?
I remember last time I never saw radio. I was like, you know what? He might be tricking me here.
Might be tricking you?
I actually had a feeling.
You had a feeling?
Yeah.
Get in it again.
Yeah, hop on in, bud. Oh man, this thing is so nice. Thanks for cleaning it up for us and everything. This looks amazing.
I'm gonna have to
Step 1, figure out the door.
Figure out the door. Ah,
Close yourself in there this
Can't be a
time.
driver if you can't get in.
this is.
Today I'm gonna have to be ripping around.
We're gonna be ripping. Well, we got to get a trailer.
Wait, where is it?
Mr. Bear is an Eagle Scout. They always have 3 things with them: pocket knife, 550 cord, and a trailer.
Trailer.
Dude, looks great, man. The logos look cool in there.
I'm not gonna be going slow, by the way.
Yeah, don't tell Mom that. Dude, awesome.
Give your dad a high five.
Yeah, give Mr. Bear some huggies. Well, we got a contract, right? Who owns this?
I can't wait to see what we're going to do with it.
No. Who owns this? NTD Racing owns it. What are you?
The main driver.
You're the main driver, that's right. You're also going to be our driving instructor. So before we get out of here, I'm going to do a quick shelf check and check out all the cool stuff here. And they have got everything: the helmets, the motorcycles, the e-bikes, side-by-sides, you name it. The super helpful sales staff can help you find it. And as I'm walking through, I'm thinking about just this shift that's happened in the off-road world. When I was a little kid, my dad used to take us, we'd rent a Jeep, and we'd go from Ouray to Telluride. I think it was Engineer Pass, and back over Imogene Pass or something, like one of the directions. And I can just remember being in this old rusty Jeep, and we'd lose the brakes and mom would be throwing kids out. And it was just a really scary event. Everyone's yelling. And then I contrast that with a couple of weeks ago, we were driving over Cumberland Pass in our rig, and we just see all these cool off-road vehicles, but especially the UTVs. And the one in particular, I remember it in my mind's eye, it was mom, it was grandma, and 2 kids in car seats in the back. And they're having this great time in this Polaris. And it just changed the off-road world in a way that it's a little safer. It's so much more shore-footed and a lot more fun to drive, one of these Hondas, one of these Polarises or Can-Ams. There is no place where I would rather have that customer experience other than the Rocky Mountain Cycle Plaza in Colorado Springs. I hear they're building another one in Monument. But this story is about us taking the RZR out to the ranch. So let's go ahead and get to that.
You good? Perfect. You might need momentum.
All right, so we finally get the 200 EFI unloaded and we take off. And I'm going to jump in with him for the first, short ride to make sure that he is good to go. And it is just a total blast having him drive us around in this brand new ATV. He's loving it. And then he's on his own. So he's got 80 acres and he can do what he wants out there. And I get it. There is a fine line between giving, somebody experiences and also spoiling a kid or something like that. So we're doing the best that we can to make him feel like he's earning it out there and, getting ready to race. And he's going to be teaching some of the other kids, how to drive and basically giving him some responsibility out there. And that's kind of the whole theme of, this RZR, the ranch, all of our race trucks and all that is to, just give our kids and our children something that they can look at, and as they grow up and they say, I have a choice between getting in trouble and doing drugs, or I can be on my dad's race team. And that goes for all the kids, that are on our team. And we just hope that they choose it. We want to be with the cool guys, the old guys who are building race trucks and racing the Baja 1000. And it starts right here. And obviously you can tell it's working.
be heading back.
Desert trucks out in the wild. Honcho goes to look after its young. He says, don't go too far, young one. There are bigger, meaner trucks out here. It's rare to see such a sight. A race truck in the wild with its young. It's a race.
One of the coolest purchases I've ever made, and my little boy is having such a blast in this, and I think he's really grasping the leadership role he's going to have to take on NTD Racing, as he's going to be not only our junior driver, our first driver who's going to train the other junior drivers. I think it's going to be super exciting for us and for him, and it's going to be totally rewarding. What we're going to be doing in the future in this, if you want to know, like maybe you have your own child and you're interested in doing the same kind of thing, is we're going to be working with the folks at the Mint 400, and we're going to try to figure out all the things that we're going to need to do to make this legal to drive. So we're talking fuel cells, roll cages, and all that. What needs to happen on the 200 EFI to make it legal? And we will show you that in future episodes, along with other cool stuff that we got going on with Honcho Lefty and this other thing called Mambo. More on that later. So please consider hitting the subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Take care of yourself.